Every day, over 10,187 UX designers wake up, go to work, and start the UX design process, but only 25% of them are getting paid more than 120 grants. Why? Because they do something, they design a way that nobody does. So that's the reason in this video I'm going to tell you 5 UX design tricks that will make psychological impact on website users. That sounds interesting? Let's jump in. Number 1, the 3-click rule. Let me tell you, the 3-click rule is an unofficial web designing rule concerning the design of a website navigation. It suggests that a user of a website should find anything they want with no more than 3 clicks. The decline in attention span of the people has lately led to the origin of the 3-click rule. A click is an interaction that results in the highest cognitive load because a click only works in a small surface area. An alternative to reduce taxation on the brain, you can use gestures like swipes, pinch, or double taps, like Instagram or LinkedIn. By the way, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, the link is down in the description. Anyway, the general rule of the thumb is for double taps. It's an important tip here. The surface area should be large, else you will follow the same trap as the click issues. Number 2, appropriate use of white space. Look, this is one of the most crucial pillars of the modern UX. I want you to concentrate right now. I want you to calm down. Good? Done? Alright. Now, I want you to fully analyze this picture here. Go on, come on, analyze it. I've got the whole day. Done? Great. Now, I want you to compare this one to this picture here. Which of them look better? Which of them look more professional? I want you to comment your thoughts down here. I'll read them and I'll respond to you as soon as possible. As you can see here, the one with the more spaced out content looks way professional than the other one. But there's nothing you should do here. It's just a matter of time. As you gain more experience designing UX, you slowly develop an eye for it by default. But there's a tip here. And I should tell you. It is crucial to maintain consistent spacing. I mean, the padding and margin on the left and right sides should be equal. Also, margin and padding on the top and bottom sides should be equal as well. You also need adequate spacing across sections. A highly spaced out section should be followed by a section with a low spacing. To avoid lopsided spacing, one hack is to use alternate spacing. By the way, thanks for watching so far. Please hit the subscribe or like button so this video sends good signals to YouTube algorithm, gets it spread out, and I could have the chance to help more people learn this stuff. Thank you, I'd really appreciate that. Rolling to number 3, scroll interaction. The use of a scroll interaction such as scroll storytelling, parallax, and more are on a constant rise and can lead you to a truly immersive website. Even the Mac Pro uses scroll interaction on the product pages. These immersive scrolling experiences are generally implemented using a technique known as scrolling hijacking, where the scroll behavior altered as per the requirement of the developer. Number 4, masonry grid. Actually, masonry grid has been around for a long time, but I personally saw a rapid increasing in popularity after introduction of Windows 8. It involves a grid of elements with different sizes and provide a fresh feel over the traditional grid. Unless most other items in this list, this one is possibly the easiest one that you could implement in your web design. It only requires a CSS knowledge. So the last but not the least, cursor interaction. Look, cursor interaction is the best way to keep your user engaged with your website in this age of dwindling attention span. You have a buffet of options to choose from, ranging from custom cursors. But there's a tip, there's a note. Bring your pens and papers because this one is super important. You have to write them down. Target audience of this cursor interaction thing is desktop users. So if your audience demography mostly use mobiles or tablets, you shouldn't actually do that because your job will have no effect on your whole web design and UX design process. And that was basically for today, guys. Thanks for watching so far. If I could help you in this video with anything, don't forget to drop us a like down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so this video sends good signals to YouTube algorithm. and gets spread out, I could help more people to learn this stuff. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.